So my camera's being special needs for taking pictures, because I'm trying to take pictures to remember like exactly how this goes together, but the focus on this one isn't any better. It's kind of annoying actually. Like, why won't it focus? Why can't it just be normal camera? But as you can see, you got the one washer right here, you have the big guy right here, and you have this small little kind of UFO shaped one, and behind those you have the two other ones. These two and this one are matching, same piece, as are the washers, perhaps, I don't know, but these face out. Let's just take this out. I was contemplating on taking this one out because it's not even really that visible, right? Whoops. But at the end of the day, might as well do it. Oh, the hell was that? Oh, washer. There's one more under there. There we go. I'm just hoping that they're... There we go. Pieces everywhere. Tinkering. Aya would be so mad at me right now. But unlike most of the other times, I know I kind of have a sense of what I'm doing. And I'm recording everything, so I better understand, right? And that's for this rather simple device, actually. Even take out some of these bolts. See, I don't mind. Might as well. This guy. Oh, you. Not the same size, so I'll put separate bottles, I think, for both pieces. As long as there's no... I don't like all the screws when there's like certain different little things, right? And hell, this could even get a treatment, probably. Maybe not, I think it's fine. Those are both the same size, so that shouldn't be too hard to remember. Let's take a look on this one. What else is there that can... I don't wash these too. I'm just getting carried away with washing all of these frickin' bolts. It's getting a bit ridiculous. These are for the front, and I will make sure I mark that, because once forgotten, it's not good. Okay.